Hello, I am Rafal Bankier, and today I will explain what a sitemap is, how to create it, and what it is used for. A sitemap, also known as a sitemap, is an XML file that informs Googlebots and other search engines about which subpages will be present on the website. I will significantly simplify the indexing of the website in terms of accessibility. Why is it worth having a sitemap? A sitemap is particularly useful for large websites, where there are many subpages and new subpages are frequently added. In the case of online results, by using a sitemap, you have a greater assurance that Google will notice the URLs for all products and categories than if you did not have this sitemap. Additionally, implementing the sitemap will allow you to analyze the subpages in terms of their indexing status, just like here, for example. How to create a sitemap? Generally, it is very simple, especially if you use a tool that usually automatically generates a sitemap. Examples of such tools include RankMatch or Yoast. Additionally, there are many websites on the internet where you can generate a sitemap for free. However, this is somewhat problematic because in the case of new subpages, the sitemap will not update automatically, so it will need to be done manually from time to time. One of the generators is, for example, this website where we enter the domain address. We click Start and wait for the site to prepare the sitemap. We click View Sitemap Details, download the sitemap, and implement it into the main folder of the domain on our hosting, and it looks as follows. However, remember that the file with the sitemap should be encoded in UTF-8. The size should not exceed 50 MB, and the file itself should not contain more than 50,000 URLs. Does the sitemap affect SEO? The sitemap does not have a direct impact on ranking. However, it is an important element of an SEO strategy that speeds up the indexing of search engine pages. How to implement the sitemap into Google Search Console. The main issue in adding a sitemap to Google Search Console is that we need to have this Google Search Console verified. At this stage, I assume you have already done this. Next, we go to the indexing section, then to sitemap, and here we provide the address to the sitemap. Then we click Submit and wait for Google to process this data. And here we already have the map uploaded to the internet. After clicking, we can see in detail what the sitemap looks like, which URLs are present, and then we wait for the data regarding the indexing status to appear, which usually takes a few days. In a few days, once the sitemap is processed and we can see the data, it looks as follows. We can see how many subpages are indexed, how many are not indexed, and what the reasons are for those subpages not being indexed. So this is definitely a very useful matter when it comes to SEO. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and if you need help with anything, I would be happy to assist.